Welcome back to another new English lesson. And today in this video, I'm going to share some telephoning phrases and expressions which will help you to speak fluently over phone. So when you have to make a phone call and you need to speak in English, you can use those expressions to speak fluently. So I hope you will like this video, so please watch this video until the end. So let's get started without delay. So first of all, I want to share some expressions which you can use when you are a caller, when you make the phone call. So after calling, then first of all you can greet, then you have to give your identification. Like after making a phone call, you can say, hello, good morning, good afternoon or good evening. This is Asif Ahmed from ABC Company. Hello, good morning, this is Asif Ahmed from ABC Company. First of all, you can greet by saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Then you have to give your identification. So here I'm saying this is Asif Ahmed from ABC Company. Then you can say, am I talking to Mr. John? Or you can say, I would like to speak to Mr. John, please. So by saying, am I talking to Mr. John? Actually, you want to say, I want to talk to Mr. John. Then you can say, I'm calling to ask or discuss or clarify. Then you can say the topic. Like I can say, I'm calling to discuss a proposal which Mr. John sent to me. You can say something like that. So first of all, you can greet, then you can give your identification, then you can say why you are calling actually, okay. So if you make any phone call and you say, am I talking to Mr. John? But if Mr. John is not there, if someone else will receive your call, then you can say, I would like to leave him a message. Or you can say, could you please take a message? So if you can't find Mr. John over phone, then you can leave a message for Mr. John. So if you want to leave any message, you can say, I would like to leave him a message. I would like to leave him a message. Then you can deliver your message, what you want to say to Mr. John. So while you are talking over phone, if you can't understand anything, if you can't understand any sentence, you can say, sorry, I didn't quite catch you. Could you please repeat? Sorry, I didn't quite catch you. Could you please repeat? So sometimes when we make call, we can't understand everything. So we can say, sorry, I didn't quite catch you. Could you please repeat? So you can always use this expression. So in the class, if you don't understand your teacher, you can say your teacher, excuse me sir, I didn't quite catch you. Could you please repeat? So it's a very nice expression you can use. I didn't quite catch you. Could you please repeat? So over phone, if you don't understand any sentence or anything, you can say, I didn't quite catch you. Could you please repeat? Okay, so please remember this expression. Write down this expression. Then if you can't hear properly, you can say, I beg your pardon. I'm not hearing you. Could you please speak louder? Or you can say, could you please speak up a bit? So if you don't hear clearly, you can say, could you please speak louder? Or could you please speak up a bit? Then after finishing the conversation, you can say, thank you for your cooperation. Have a nice day. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a nice day. So you can use those expressions when you are a caller. By using those expressions, you can start conversation and you can finish conversation. And now I'm going to share some other expressions you can use when you are a receiver, when you receive the call. So when you receive the call, you can say, could I ask who is calling please? So if the caller doesn't give you his or her identification, you can say, could I ask who is calling please? Or you can say, may I know your name? So if the caller say, am I talking to Mr. Asif? Then I can say, yes, Asif Ahmed is speaking. How can I help you? Yes, Asif Ahmed is speaking. How can I help you? How can I help you? It's a very common expression or sentence, you know. How can I help you? So when you receive the call, you can say, how can I help you? How can I help you? So if someone wants to talk to you, but if you are busy, then you can say, I'm in the middle of something. I will call you later. Or please call me after 15 minutes later. So if you are busy, you can say, I'm in the middle of something. Or you can say, I'm some kind of busy. I will call you later, or please call me after 15 minutes later. Would you mind holding for just a moment? You can use this expression if you are asking for holding on. Would you mind holding for just a moment? It's a very common expression. Instead of saying hold on, you can say, would you mind holding for just a moment? Then if someone calls you and he's looking for your boss, not you, but your boss is not there, then you can say, I'm afraid he's not there right now. Or he's not available at the moment. He's not available at the moment. Can I take a message? Can I take a message? So if someone calls you and he's looking for your boss or other person, not you, then you can use this expression and then you are asking for any message. can I take a message? Can I take a message? Then after taking the message, you can say, let me check if I got that right. Let me check if I got that right. Then you can repeat the message for confirming. Then you can say, I will ask him to call you as soon as he gets back. Then you can finish the conversation by saying, have a good day. Have a good day. So these are some expressions you can use when you make any phone call and you need to speak in English fluently. So I hope you like this video. Please write down those expressions in your notebook and practice regularly by saying those expressions so that when you make any call, you can use those expressions in your speaking. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please do comment. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, thank you for watching. See you some other day with some other lessons.